Hello everyone and welcome to this truly splendid, architecturally designed masterpiece at 4 Mount Scott Way, North Kellyville. A timeless, sophisticated haven where every aspect has been so carefully considered. The result? A remarkable retreat, full of natural light-filled interiors, framed by the most stunning gardens and with an amazing panoramic bushland vista. Interiors that engage, intricate custom design features that will surprise, and a warmth that will have you instantly feeling at home. Luxury within Italian-inspired grounds, sharing meals with friends, sunshine by the pool, feelings of Tuscany, and all while you relax in this super quiet enclave of North Kellyville. Take your time, explore, relax, and embrace the comfort, the intricate design features, and all the lavishness that make this home magnificent. I'm Karen Dangola from Stone. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. We look forward to seeing you soon.